Good morning, guys. It is way too early here in Carlsbad, California. We're getting ready to go to Cars and Coffee. It starts at 7, so we're going to try and get there about 20 minutes early. So we made it to the car show here at Carlsbad, and I was just kind of walking around looking at everything. I love this Lamborghini over here. That orange on it's amazing, and I just didn't realize how small they were. Then you got the Tesla Model 3 here. It was pretty nifty. Not sure what this is, but I liked that car too. And then this was probably one of my favorite cars at the show, this Dodge thing. I don't know if it was like a conversion from a van or if it's something they actually made, but either way, I thought it looked pretty cool. And once we're done with it, I think we're gonna go down to the GTRs. Let's see if that's where we head to. Yeah, that's where we're going. Now, this was my first car show of the weekend. Over here's all the Subarus, and I wasn't expecting all the GTRs to show up that did. Here, at first, there was just two, this black one and then the gray one, but then as the day went on, you'll see farther down the line, we ended up with a lot more GTRs. I think there were 6 or 7 that showed up at this one. And then the next day, whenever we go to Cars and Coffee and Donuts in San Diego, there was even more. There was like an entire row of nothing but GTRs. I really liked the purple on this gray one. Like the little bit of accent just made it pop. But I wasn't a huge fan of the bags on it. Let's face it, bags are for groceries. But nonetheless, they were nice looking cars. I also like the white one there with that red trim on it. Always looks really nice. Okay guys, we are leaving from Cars and Coffee here in Carlsbad. Had a great time, talked to a ton of people, and there was a lot of cars showed up. I know they said that there's usually more cars showed up than what did, but I thought there was a real good turnout. There was a Subaru club that showed up that, I mean, they just had a ton of people, and then there was a whole bunch of GTRs that showed up. A few nice old classic cars, had a Lamborghini there, and you know, all in all, it was a good time. Hey guys, so we got done up in Carlsbad for the day, got done going up to Dana Point and stuff. In the morning, we will be going to Cars and Coffee and Donuts in San Diego. So if you hold right on, I'll see you in a minute. Good morning, everybody. We are here in San Diego, and we're about to go to Cars and Coffee and Donuts. It is once again way too early, but you know, it's all good. So let's get ourselves on the road. So we got here to Cars and Coffee this morning. It's finally starting to pick up. The more we walk around and look at cars, all you hear is the exhaust tones of everybody driving in, and it's a wonderful sound. You have to love listening to everybody's exhaust. Sure, you get a few that don't sound that great, but then you get the ones that are just absolutely magical, and together it just makes it all worth it. What?
The regular looking cars with big old holes in the hood.
That's a Subi.
Oh, well, like 5 of them came in and sounded like the battery fell apart.
Hey, Subi lovers, you heard it from her. I didn't con that out of her. She just said it. Like all good car meets though here, everybody just kind of segregates themselves. Like behind us here we have Mustang Row, and then if you go down into this direction you've got the Corvette Row, and then the truck area over here. Yeah, we got Camaro Row coming up next. Then Mopar and Subis and stuff just kind of end up wherever they end up. Hey guys, what's up? I know you guys like GTRs. Oh, look, there's one. Oh, look, there's another one. And another one, and another one, and oh, look, it's just a whole line. So while we were wandering around the car show here, we found a little lonely R8 all by itself, surrounded by Godzilla. Okay, boys and girls, the car Kayla's been hoping this whole weekend she would see. Kayla's dream car is right up here pulling into the lot. And we're gonna go meet it. Oh, is there a second one behind it? No, it's an Audi. So Kayla loves the i8, the BMW i8. Earlier I was like, hey look, there's an R8. She about had a heart attack. Well now there's an i8 and an R8 coming in. Okay guys, here's Kayla's dream car.
There's a lot more people than I thought there was going to be here. This is the first time I come.
Me too. I'm actually from West Virginia, so I'm not even from out on this coast.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Nice. But yeah.
Cool. A lot of people.
But yeah. See, we always meet nice people whenever we go out. And yeah.
Nice.
Hey guys, earlier we found Kayla's dream car. I've got one of my dream cars. I've got like 4 or 5 more on my list, but over here's another one of them. And it's also in a color that I absolutely adore. Let's see if we can get over here to it. Okay, you guys ready for this? It is beautiful. Hey guys, we're done with Cars and Coffees and Donuts. It was a great day. I hope you all have enjoyed it. This was a good fun weekend. We hit up 2 of them and, you know, seen plenty of really nice cars and I met a lot of nice people. So I had a good time. Hope you guys did too. Now we're getting ready to go to the San Diego Zoo and go check that place out. Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed coming along with us today. If you have, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again guys, and as always, have a wonderful day.